Imagine waking up to absolute chaos in the financial world. Bitcoin, once hailed as digital gold, is plummeting at an unprecedented rate. The reason? One man, Satoshi Nakamoto, the anonymous creator of Bitcoin, has just decided to sell every single coin he owns. With an estimated 1.1 million Bitcoin in his possession, worth tens of billions of dollars, his decision would send shockwaves through the market. But what exactly would happen? Would Bitcoin survive? Or would this be the final nail in the coffin for the world's first cryptocurrency? Let's explore this hypothetical disaster and its consequences. Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoin holdings. Before diving into the chaos, let's establish the facts. Satoshi Nakamoto is the pseudonymous figure who created Bitcoin in 2009. No one knows who he really is. Some speculate he's an individual, a group of developers, or even a government organization. However, what we do know is that his Bitcoin holdings have remained untouched for over a decade. The 1.1 million Bitcoin he mined in the early days make up more than 5% of the total supply. These coins are stored in multiple wallets, and despite years of speculation, none have ever moved. But what if out of nowhere they did? The initial shockwave. The moment the first Satoshi-owned Bitcoin is transferred, the internet explodes. Crypto analysts, traders, and media outlets scramble to verify the movement. Within minutes, headlines emerge, confirming that Nakamoto's coins are active for the first time in history. Panic grips the market. Speculation spreads like wildfire. Is he cashing out? Is Bitcoin about to collapse? Some believe it's a security breach. Others fear it's an orchestrated attack. Then, the real nightmare begins. As soon as Satoshi's Bitcoin starts flooding exchanges, prices take a nosedive. Buyers vanish. Panic selling accelerates. Bitcoin, which was trading at tens of thousands of dollars, begins spiraling downward. Investors who once swore they'd never sell begin offloading their holdings out of sheer fear. In the span of a few hours, the price of Bitcoin drops by over 50%. And it's not stopping. The domino effect. Bitcoin's collapse doesn't just impact Bitcoin. The entire cryptocurrency market follows. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, takes a major hit. Altcoins see their values erased within hours. Major crypto exchanges struggle to handle the sell-off, leading to withdrawal freezes and server crashes. Meanwhile, mainstream financial markets react with uncertainty. Institutional investors who had poured billions into Bitcoin begin to reevaluate their positions. Governments and regulatory bodies seize the moment to argue for tighter crypto regulations. Some even call for an outright ban. The fear spreads beyond crypto. Stock markets waver. Gold prices surge. The narrative that Bitcoin is a reliable store of value is shattered in an instant. The long-term fallout. Days after the crash, Bitcoin's price is at historic lows. Confidence is shattered. Some say Bitcoin is dead, while others argue that it's an opportunity to rebuild. Developers and community leaders attempt to stabilize the situation, proposing hard forks and emergency protocols to counteract the damage. Some whales step in to buy up the cheap Bitcoin, believing it will recover. But the psychological damage remains. The myth of Satoshi as a dormant entity is gone. If he sold once, he could sell again. Trust in Bitcoin is at an all-time low. Meanwhile, speculation about Satoshi's identity reaches new heights. Governments launch investigations. Conspiracy theories emerge. Was this an intentional attack on the financial system? Was Satoshi ever a real person? Or has Bitcoin been controlled by a hidden power all along? Could Bitcoin survive? Bitcoin has bounced back from crashes before, but this time is different. Satoshi's untouched fortune was a symbol of trust. If even he sells, what does that mean for the future of crypto? Will Bitcoin recover, or is this the moment it truly collapses? One thing is certain, if Satoshi ever cashes out, the financial world will never be the same. So, what do you think? If Satoshi Nakamoto sold all his Bitcoin, would it mark the end of crypto, Or would Bitcoin find a way to recover? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing crypto content.